In primetime news this evening, back to school. Some institutions reopen for face-to-face classes. We have assessments and reactions. Wait and see. Some schools decide to delay face-to-face classes for a few days amidst rising COVID numbers. And not CXC ready? Fewer students signing up for 2021 examinations. The opposition raises concerns.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: should the government expand the list of banned countries in light of the new variant of COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.